Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia, and I've come back on here now today to do some work on this bag. I've been doing a bit of work on here. Just took the lid off that. I probably shouldn't have done. What did I do with it? So I've got put this bit of frill. I frilled up the lace and put it across there. Put another piece of lace over the top of it, and I've got these butterflies down here. Still haven't finished doing those flowers because I wanted to do these lace bits. This bit here I've done it and put on, and I've filled up that nice pink square with beads all going around there. See? Okay, so I think I showed you the rest of it yesterday, what I've done on it so far. So I wanted to today put some more embellishment pieces on here, but so this is the top, this mauve piece, I've made that the top. So what I wanted to do was put some hanging down beads on it, okay? And the only thing I could, well, the one thing I come up with when I say hanging down beads, we need to have, I wanted something to put them onto, so, and then nothing's really going straight. This bit here is going straight, I suppose. I could put, how about over here, right? How about if I put it over there and hung down some beads off that? What do you reckon? No? You didn't even say anything either, did you? Let's just try a small piece. Let's just try a small area, and that might be the way to go. Okay, let's just start out small, and if it all goes to plan, we'll continue on. Okay, now I'm going to stitch this down here. I do have the glue pot there, but that was just in a maybe, so I'm going to sit it back there. I'm not going to use glue on this for the time being at all, I don't think, only for emergencies. Alright, so I've got this bit. Now if you haven't got anything like this, that's okay. You don't have to use what I'm using. You can just start from the base of your bit of stitching there. I suppose I could show you to do that, couldn't I? Anyway, that might be a better idea. Oh no, I want the gold. I do want the gold in there. But let's start from the base with stitching. Ah dear, to you new subscribers, I hope you can understand what I'm doing and how I work, but this is me. Now, I've got one of these needles, the bead needle, and it is very bent and twisted. I don't know if I have one of those that split apart in here, because I do have them that just hold the cotton up the centre. I don't think that's what I've got now though today, so I haven't got one in here. They're out in the other room, so I'm going to use this one. Now, somebody asked me about threading the needle or doing the knot. As soon as I find what I did with the pink cotton, we'll be right. I suppose it doesn't matter if it's pink. I do this every time, don't I? I come in here and I haven't got anything cotton. It's probably sitting all over me looking at me, you know, but there's just that much stuff here I can't see what I have. You know how that is? It's like finding things on one of them games. I usually don't mind playing one of those games, but not today with this. I said to myself, now you're ready, right, Sonia? That's right, turn it on now, you're ready to do that. Right, you know what happened? It didn't work like that, did it? So I didn't get the cotton ready. Okay, so yes, well, I've been trying to find a wheelchair and can't get a wheelchair. I don't have one at home. I do have a mobility scooter because inside my house is only small and I can just get around, you know, from one bit of furniture to the wall to whatever to get about, and rather would stay walking. But I cannot hire a wheelchair anywhere. And, you know, they've got them, but I need a bigger one because I'm a little bit bigger than, well, a lot bigger than normal people, so, well, whatever normal is. So I just don't, they have them all hired out for my size, which, there you go, see. But anyway, after I did that with a stranded piece of thread, I actually seen that my reel of cotton is sitting there. Okay, anyway, so I can't find the wheelchair to take with me. I haven't got that, so I'm going to have to do something. But anyway, never mind. I want to do this today. I don't want to be worrying about it. I'm just going to put one bead there. I'm just going to start off with one bead, just because I thought he might be just too close to that one, and I'll start off with over here. Okay, so just put one bead on that end piece. my thinking. I'm sorry, I should explain my thinking a bit better to you, shouldn't I? Okay, so now I've got some little pink Swarovski crystals, you know that word. I've got some pink crystally things. Look at that, aren't they beautiful? And they're on some sort of a belt or something. And I know that I had someone's in a container, but where that is just somebody else's problem. I can't find it. Anyway, let me see. Scissors. I can always pick up these big ones, but I suppose that's better than not having anything, isn't it? Pick up. Now, some of those. I had this dish here with a whole heap of different bits and pieces in it, so I don't know which colours I want to use. I don't know if I want a bit of yellow. I'm going to have a try anyway and see what works. See what's going to work the best. I'll see what I can get here. I'll pick up a few bits and pieces because I'm only doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots, so I only need 5 of each sort of bead if I can find a little mixture here, so I can do that. Okay, this fabric and bits of fairy bits and bits of everything in this. I really enjoy doing this because it's fun. Is all I can say about it. It actually is quite good fun. So I'm going to put some yellow on in the mixture. I made a nice mixture bead soup. I was going to do a few white ones, wasn't I? I'm going to put some white ones there. Right, now I've got heaps, haven't I? I could be able to do this up to wazoo. Now you know what I'll do? I'll make a small one to start with, okay? So you just want to pick up your beads, get your needle and put a knot in the back of it, and I don't know if I showed you how to do that. Wait a minute, I'll get another piece of cotton. Well, I threaded the needle. The lady asked me how I did this. You go right to the end of your, a bit of glue stuck to me, you get right to the end of your piece of thread, and you just wrap it around your finger like that, and in between your thumb and your other finger, and you roll it back and you pull it down, okay? And there's a big father knot on the end, okay? That's how you make it. I make my knot. I'll do the other one at the other end. I always lick my finger, I don't know why. Put it there, turn it round, roll it back and pull it like, whoops. Not too tight, because too hard, because you'll take it off. Alright? So you want to rewind me a few times and see how that's done. So that's how I do that. Threading the needle is just something I have to just keep doing until I get it right, but I think I've been threading them a fair while now, so I've got a little bit of an idea, you know, if it's working or not. Hopefully. Okay, so I put a white one on, a yellow one, a pink one. No, that white one's not nice. That's not nice at all. Let me go with the little orange one. I've got a little orange one, a pink one, and this pink one. And then I can put a white one on the end. But that one was only little, so I'll put a bit bigger one on. And then lay it down, thread it through your needle, and lay it down there and see what you think. Personally, I can't see it that much, done about yours, but I can't see it. Maybe we need something a bit brighter. Right, we go with something a bit brighter. Righto, well, I'm going to just take those back through there, except for the orange one. Except for the orange one. I'm going to get this dish here. Right now, all the little beads are on the bottom of the pot. That happens, doesn't it? So I need some of these now. Oops. Get some jewellery. Go to your thrift shops, get some jewellery. Even if you're not getting it at the thrift shops, you can buy it in your other shops, you know, like little bangles or bracelets or something to get your beads off her. Now, so I've got an orange one on there. And I'm going to put a green one, and a yellow one, and a pink one. No, that's might be too long, hang on. I'll just put those on there, where do they go? Now that's better, you can see that. I hope you can see that. I've got 3 beads, and on the bottom I will put this pink one, and I'm going to then pull it down, and I will go back up through these last 3 beads, right? Don't, like the beads before, don't go through the pink one that you just put on there. Just go back up there through these bits. You want to just go back up through those beads, pull that up there like that. Okay, now it's sitting up, but you can lay it down and just put your needle back through to the back. And don't pull it too tight so it sits up, just wiggle it around till it lays flat. Then go to the back and pull, hopefully hold that in the right place while you just do a couple of back stitches. Righto? And that's going to hang there like so, I hope. I hope. And it's sitting around a bit, I mustn't hold onto it properly. Lay it down a bit more. Maybe lay it down a bit better than that. Okay, so come up to the next thing. And I want to put an orange one on. You see what I'm doing? You can't, can you? Right, great. Here we go. Now I want an orange one. I'm going to follow the pattern on that. A green one. A yellow one. And there's a pink one. Then I'm going to do another. Now, so if I put that on there, I'm going to make this one now a bit longer, you reckon? Just playing around, just doing a bit of craft with me today. Probably not going to learn much, but you know, one orange one, one green one. Come here. A bit of cotton, don't need that piece, and a yellow one. Where are you? Here. And the pink again. Come here, you. So it's got pretty much the colours in it that's in my that's in this thing. So you don't go through the top one here. Don't go through that one. Take your beads, your cotton, back up through these beads here. Okay, just go through the beads. Make sure you get them all. It doesn't duck beyond the back of one of them. Make sure you got them all. And carefully pull it up. Hold on to this end one, and you can pull it up really easy if you do that. And I think that this is going to look like okay. I'm not too disappointed now. Nobody panic. It's just going all right, I think. It's going to, you know, go wiggle about a bit, and that's okay. I'd like to I'm going to be putting a bit bigger frilly things on soon. I'm being a bit cautious yet because I don't want to muck everything up. I wonder who that is ringing me. Okay, so I'm going to have to go and I'll be back in a second, okay? Thank you for watching.